Alright, I want to do this video again. When I first did it, I was just plugging the power in and leaving the power on, and then as soon as I turned the power off, it would advance. Like so. I'll show you right now. Let me see, get you in the clicker. So it says 99.90808. And that's just tapping it. Now I'm just going to put the power right on the alligator clip right to it and leave it on. Remove the power. See how it's in between numbers? Because the alligator clip's still connected when I remove the alligator clip. So it's pulse activated, as the tech told me. And that's how it is. Pulse activated. Alright. Learn something new every day.